You're pouring thousands into perimeter security for data you should have deleted months ago. We've been conditioned to think more storage means more value. But in 2026, storage isn't an asset. It's a liability. Every gigabyte you hoard is another hook for an extortionist. Today, we're killing the more is better myth and building a minimalist, future-proof infrastructure that makes your SME a digital ghost town. Most of you are in reactive purge mode. You wait until your drive is full, then you frantically scramble to delete things. That is a security failure waiting to happen. You need to transition to a collect, use, destroy, or CUD culture. In CUD culture, data has a life cycle shorter than a headline. You collect only what is essential for the next 90 days. You use it, and then you destroy it. The concept of long-term storage for SME operations is a relic. If you don't need it to operate today, it shouldn't exist on your server tomorrow. How do you reconfigure your 2027 budget to support this? You have to make a hard pivot. Prioritize data hygiene over additional perimeter security. Most SMEs are buying more firewalls and more complex security software to protect their digital hoarding. Stop that. Step 1. Invest in automated data classification and lifecycle management tools. Make them do the heavy lifting so your team doesn't have to decide what to delete. Step 2. Redirect 20% of your current security spend toward active data minimization efforts. Step 3. Measure success not by how much data you've protected, but by how little data you've retained. If you want to stop being a high-value target for ransomware, you need to be uninteresting to hackers. Here is your final checklist to convert your org into a digital ghost town. 1. Define the kill switch. Identify your absolute critical data. Everything else is purgeable. 2. Automate deletion. Configure your M365 and cloud storage policies to enforce deletion, not retention. 3. Audit the perimeter. If you have access points to data older than 6 months, sever them immediately. 4. Simulate the ghost town. Run a drill. If a threat actor gets in, what can they actually steal? If the answer is nothing valuable, you've succeeded. Extortionists don't waste time on ghost towns. By shifting to a minimalist, CUD-based infrastructure, you stop paying to secure the trash that criminals want to use against you. Need help auditing your current data footprint to identify where you're hoarding liability? Link in the description for a quick guide on building your own minimalist roadmap. Build for lean, not for storage.